Traders high. Just straight off the bat, my thesis was incorrect, so I'll bring that up now. Should have had this prepared. Yeah, it got slaughtered. Just idiotic move. I got filled at 679. I was targeting 680. Just hoping to just sort of bounce down quickly. The thing is, in the amateur hour, that is, my whole penny stocking thing. That's why I strongly encourage demo trading, because I didn't know how to even close out the position. So I had to go to, what did I end up doing? Like proper idiotic shit. I think it was, I can't quite recall even now. A little sleep deprived. Oh, no, it was a count. It was a count. And then it was here. So let's try and get the activity statement. Fuck, I am a disgrace. Alright, so I realized was $150 loss. I'm up still with the ZN buys that I made last week. But just totally wrong, guys. Really what I didn't mention, but I might have mentioned I was targeting a break of 688. I'll go to the hourly charts now. It was aggressive. It was an aggressive trade, and it did not pay off. And I'm making a video fresh now. So 688 is a little bit of resistance here on the hourly chart as well. And I believe it was the high yesterday as well. If we'll go to the 15-minute charts. Yeah, I get that because I have a delayed feed. So yeah, so this is what I was targeting. So I was thinking, you know what? Let's get in early. Let's try and maximize my gains. And that's really dumb. And what I did, I hedged a little bit because I saw it completely collapsing. And I don't know, I just it's a demo account. So I was like, I talked about closing out at 667. That was a bit of a bounce point. I'm not really sure how I determined that. It might have been the hourly charts. It's not pro trader out here, guys. That's, if you watch this. So 667, if it went down below that, I sort of was thinking to myself, I'm going to close out. I ended up closing out. I'm not sure what I was filled at. Probably 650, maybe a little less, but I took a sell trade at 650. So I made 15 cents, but if I closed out at 35, that's diabolical. That's 45. So realized was $150 loss. So yeah, 35 I closed out. Okay. So what is it that I close it down? Let's see what it's actually doing now. Oh, ZN. That's doing sweet fits of fuck all as well. This is the beauty, guys, of demo account, okay? The people that I know that are really good at trading, they strongly encourage. So the open was 675, so it must have spiked and triggered me with the spread, I'm assuming. So the idiot that I am, I didn't even encounter the spread. Really what I should have done would have been like a 690, nice conservative entry, and hoped for the pop, and then reverse my sentiment if it went below, we'll go to the 15-minute. We'll go to the 5-minute chart and see establish some support and resistance. So if it went below, well, 675 and maybe short 670. So I could have potentially made 670 35. So that's 35 cents. And not risked and not gone in too early. So the message here, guys, is don't. I'm clearly, I'm an amateur trader and I've got no idea what I'm talking about. This is what AKS is doing now. No, I don't have stocks to trade. I'm currently doing more hours at work and changing the budget around and everything and getting a big tax return back. So I just have to wait for that before I sort of jump in. But, at least the trades got executed and my sell trade got executed. So I made a little bit. I want to go... the statement's not available yet. It's not updated, so it's still showing like it's about $300 US in profit, but that's obviously going to change. So, but I just want to update. I'm out of this. This AKS did not go to plan. Nice bearish candle. Yeah, so I really was sort of, it was like a hope run. I was like, it's going to turn, and then it did. But then I was like, oh, I want to close out, but I didn't even know. So a beautiful thing, because the last time I did the ZN stuff, it was on the phone. And it's a little easier with the interface. I haven't actually done trade on here, so yeah. No, for the people that do follow me, this is why I'm doing this, because I'm a raw beginner when it comes to this sort of stuff. I'm used to MetaTrader 4 for currency trading, and that's going okay for me. I don't want to go into the details of that, but that is more a patience thing. And that's very small positions, making 1 to 2% a month. So this is more in your face, wham bam, thank you, ma'am. But where's the chat? Where's the chat? A few people short at the open. See, I wasn't even there. I could search for the ticket chart, ticket chat history, and I didn't do that. So for the people who did make money off this, congrats. I made a little money, but I lost more money. So the realized loss today is $150. And thank you for watching, everyone. I'm going to put this up straight away. It's 10:30 at night here. I'm going to have something to eat and watch more of Tim's material. And for the raw beginners out there, please demo trade. Just unless you have, well, no, if you don't have a lot of money, you don't need to throw real money away with like this shit. Like imagine if I had, this is like a 10,000 US dollar account, around 12,000 Australian, or a little bit more. So imagine if it was real, you'd be like Frank, you'd be like Interactive Brokers, how do I close out a position, you know? So yeah, that's why I joined this community as well, to get some guidance and everything. And I really do want to be a challenge student. I've got a few things in motion that are probably going to expedite that as well, if I'm allowed in. And yeah, so that's definitely a goal of mine, because the learning material is exceptional and it gives you an understanding, but the key really is to have experience in front of the charts and really know when to strike, and to understand the history of things and what's significant, and just the general ebbs and flows. And I'm still very much unaware of the ebbs and flows when it comes to pennies. I mean, look at this. Look at the exact same on the 25th. So I was hoping for a bit more of a bounce, but no, it's collapsed a little bit. So I'm going to close this chat down. I don't need the chat in my life anymore. But yeah, let's bring up what I said. I want to bring up what I said. You know, I'm being completely transparent. The demo account cannot be linked to Profitly, though, I was told. So I'm not getting a live account for a little bit, probably a few months. Well, with IB though, it's 10 grand minimum. So, you know, that's going to be a bit of a problem. Let's bring it up. AKS buy trade. How many people watched the idiot post about this? 5 people. That's good. That's good. All right. So I made this at 9:23 in the morning, New York time. So what did I say? Buy limit is set at 680, which it was, with my thesis. With this order to get in before the 688 level is reached, planning on shorts being squeezed. That has occurred in pre-market to continue early into market open. Price rejects the break stick. I'm out, targeting $7. Well, you know, that's not really great risk reward anyway, and getting out ideally near my price order, that fucking did not happen. I guess for me, I'm just not used to how quick things move. So that's why you need to be, you know, high probability plays. So I'm, you know, learning that, because I ignore the 667 bounce. I mean, that just smashed through it, you know. Even though I wanted to, I didn't really know how to actually close out the position on the desktop platform. So I just want to show you guys when that was made. All right, so I was wrong, and yeah, that the key lesson here is demo trade, or familiarize yourself with the platform completely before, you know, making a trade. Obviously, if the demo account, you know, I can still eat tomorrow, but yeah, I just want to point that out, guys. Do not be an idiot like me and just rush in and just, you know, take a trade when really, I mean, look at this. It fell. It doesn't look like it's going to rally. My call is going to continue sideways, and that things are going to fizzle out a bit. ZN, I'm watching that. Let's bring ZN up whilst we're talking shop. Did that? See that didn't really collapse either. Look, I'm thinking higher probability plays here. All right, I'm not messing around with bullshit anymore. If it breaks 425, I'll be interested in it. It's got to close below 425, and then I'll be targeting 50 cents, at least 25 cents to 4, because I know Tim talks about significant round numbers, and 4 would be pretty significant. We'll get the hourly chart up. Where's 4? Tired. Fuck it, I'm gonna keep making this. I was to myself, look, Scott, make it professional. But as I grow older, this is just, I accept who I am, and this is what it is. So yeah, $4, and we'll see if that can break through. And if it has a bit of space left, what I would like is a nice bearish candle, like an engulfing, nice big candle, big fuck you to 425. What else is going on? How did our ETC go? Pump, 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 pump. This is what I do. I don't watch TV anymore. I link my mobile or my tablet to my TV in the lounge room, and have my notes for the Tim Fundamentals part deux, and also penny stocking part deux as well. And that's my TV show. That's just the Profitly stuff that I have. What else? I wanted this to be a quick video, but I'm not hiding. This is going to be the good, the bad, and the ugly. Okay, so I'm going to put this up. 150 loss on AKS. I want to write because I'm a fucking dickhead, but I won't do that because they'll get flagged. YouTube will be like, But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Let's bring up this beautiful chart. 5 minutes. So in conclusion, don't put a aggressive buy order in, just before pre-market and get spiked with spread, and then it collapses on you. And then be aware of how to close out a trade too. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.